Hi, I'm Dan from oneHR, and in this short video, we're going to be running through how to set up and create announcements on the oneHR system as an admin. So, to start creating an announcement, what we're going to do is navigate into the admin section via the main menu on the left-hand side here. And you should see that near the bottom of this list here, we have announcements as an option. So, with our announcements, it's as simple as creating a title and a description. So the title might be New Starter. So you may want to announce that you've got a new starter in the business, and you may want to inform a department, specific employees, or you may want to let your whole organisation know as well and welcome this person to the business. And then we can pop in our description as well. So you can say test employee has joined the team. And then with our announcements, we've got the ability to set how long we want this announcement to appear or be visible for. So, for example, you could set it where it shows from today for the next 7 days. You can have it show for a month, whatever it may be. You can also schedule these in advance as well. So, say, for example, you are anticipating a change to a policy, you can create the announcement ahead of time and it'll show when you're ready to share that information with your wider team or organization. But in this instance, we're just going to set it to run from today until 1 week and then for the next 7 days. And then here we've got the option to show who we want to send this announcement to. So in this instance, I'm going to say I want to send it to all departments. And then once that's being created, all users who that announcement has been assigned to will receive an email from oneHR detailing that announcement. And then any announcements will also be visible here in the top right hand corner and can be viewed and read by employees at any time during that set announcement period.